In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Zapier, making your workflow more efficient and seamless. By the end of this guide, you'll have your Slack integrated with Zapier, ready to automate actions and streamline your communication. Let's dive right in. First off, head over to the Zapier homepage by opening your preferred web browser and typing in zapier.com. Once the page loads, you'll want to locate the App Connections area. This is your hub for linking various applications to Zapier, and it's a key step towards making these applications work together harmoniously. Once you've clicked into App Connections, your next move is to add a new connection. You should see an option to add connection somewhere on the page. This part is essentially telling Zapier that you want to introduce another app into its ecosystem. In the Add Connection area, you'll find a search box. Click on that box and type in Slack. Slack is going to be our focus today, and searching for it here will narrow down the options and help you locate it quickly. Once you see Slack in the search results, click on it. Selecting Slack here signals to Zapier that it's the specific app you want to connect with. This step sets up the pathway for information and actions to flow between Slack and your other integrated applications via Zapier. After selecting Slack, you'll see another Add Connection option. Click on this to proceed with the integration. This will further the connection process and allow Zapier to start linking your accounts. Next, you need to move on to the permissions part. You'll see an option to install Zapier, but hold on before you click that. Ensure you're already logged into your Slack workspace in the same browser. Being logged into Slack is crucial because it facilitates the installation process and allows for seamless account communication. If you're not logged in, you might be prompted to do so during this stage. Now click Install Zapier. A permissions page will pop up, requesting access to certain features within your Slack workspace. This part is important because it authorizes Zapier to perform automated tasks on your behalf. And with that, your Slack should now be successfully connected to Zapier. This setup allows you to create Zaps, automated workflows that connect your apps and services. With Slack and Zapier working together, you can automate alerts, manage reminders, and much more, all tailored to improve your productivity and communication efficiency. That's all for today's guide. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're ready to explore all the possibilities that come with this integration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.